return to Mighty Mountain.
The Mighty Mountain. We have attempted to climb your majestic peak for weeks, but to no avail. Will we ever make it?
We're gonna get up there, man. We've come so close.
We sure are too also.
But we've tried everything we know about climbing, and I just don't know what else we can do.
So you're giving up, huh, Nature Cat?
To give up is not an option, Ronald. We will see the glorious Mighty Mountain Peak. We just simply need to achieve. First we need to...
Yes, Nature Cat, go on.
I don't know what we need.
Oh, Nature Cat, I know exactly what we need to get to the peak.
Haha! See? Daisy knows what we need. What do we need?
Granny Bunny! Hello, everyone!
Oh, hi, Granny Bunny. It's me, Hal.
Oh, hi, Hal, honey.
Granny Bunny! You can help us get to the peak of Mighty Mountain?
Oh, you bet I can. Because I am a mighty mountaineer, an expert mountain climber.
Granny Bunny never ceases to amaze.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Granny Bunny will lead us to the peak of the mighty mountain. You betcha.
Oh, Granny Bunny, I don't know how to thank you.
Me too.
Me too as well.
Hey, Granny Bunny.
Huh?
Oh, how could I not get in on a Granny Bunny group hug?
You guys, I got the first aid kit and whistles. And I have the duct tape and food. Hal, honey dear, do you have the tent?
Aye, Granny Bunny. I sure do. Love you, Granny Bunny.
Oh, good, honey. And Nature Cat has the sleeping bags?
I certainly do, Granny Bunny. And with them, a slight little question. Why do we even need these sleeping bags?
Because the secret to making it to the top of the Mighty Mountain Peak is to break up the trip into 2 days and camp out on the mountain.
Camping? You mean sleeping outside, not inside my safe, cozy house?
We sleep out under the stars in the fresh air with the sound of insects and owls lulling us to sleep.
But you see, I have never slept outside of my house before.
I love camping out.
You do, Ronald?
Yep, I'm coming too. Oh, what's the matter, Nature Cat? Giving up already?
Never! I am going to get to the top of Mighty Mountain Peak, even if I have to sleep on a mountain to do it.
Oh boy, I can't wait to get to the peak.
Now, Hal, honey, getting to the top of the mountain is amazing, but there are also so many other amazing things to see along the way. You got that right, Granny. We already know what's on this mountain.
Yeah, we started this climb a bunch of times. We're pretty much pros.
So you know about Yikes-a-Rooney Point.
What?
How about Brown Bear Falls?
No! How come we haven't seen any of these places?
Well, I'm taking you up the south side of the mountain. That's the trail with the most fun stuff to see. And then we camp out right here at Camp Out Ridge.
Camp out! Oh, yes, camp out. Go.
Camp out, yes!
Now come on, let's climb and have some fun.
Camping out. Why did it have to be camping out?
Oh, great climbing, everyone.
Woo!
Are we there yet?
Oh, Ronald, dear, would you like us to slow the pace down for you?
Slow down the pace. Don't be silly. You just try and keep up with the Ronald. Yeah, maybe we should go a little slow.
Okie dokie, dear. And we can also take a rest. We're almost at our first stop, Yikes-a-Rooney Point.
Just out of curiosity, why do they call it Yikes-a-Rooney Point?
See for yourself.
Yikes-a-Rooney!
Exactly. Is it really that great?
Yikes-a-Rooney!
Man, oh man, it's so beautiful.
Yes. So beautiful, Daisy. I think even the most beautiful. And there's no possible way to top it. So back down the mountain so we can sleep in our very own beds.
So what you're saying is you're giving up. Is that right, Nature Cat?
Me? Give up? Never. Onward and onward.
Okay, so what's the next stop, Granny Bunny?
Next stop is Brown Bear Falls.
Where? I don't see it. Where?
Sometimes it's hard to see, Hal, honey. Use your ears and listen for the sound of the water. Oh, wait! I hear it! This way! Behold, Brown Bear Falls!
Oh.
Why do they call it Brown Bear Falls, Granny Bunny? This waterfall doesn't look like a bear to me.
It's not named for the waterfall. It's named for the brown bears who live here. Look. Aw, I gotta get a picture of the bear in action. Remember, darlings, we need to keep a safe distance.
Yeah, don't worry about that. No way I'm going near that. Oh, that bear is awesome.
All right, gang, the sun is going down. Let's head to Camp Out Ridge so we can set up camp. Yeah!
Camp Out Ridge, baby.
You can do this, Nature Cat. You can do this.
You sure can, Nature Cat. Huh? Hey, good luck, man.